Alam to ng lahat ng tao. Hello Clash Nation, this is Lois Barcelona and today I will be reacting to your comments on my round 2 performance, Sana Mauli. I performed this song, in my head I was like, this song is, people have a lot of expectations about it and alam to ng lahat ng tao. Let's get on with the first comment. I like the version of Lois. It's so refreshing in the ears. Ang maganda sa kanya, hindi siya nagstay sa comfort zone niya. Iba yung pinakita niya ngayon now. Thank you so much. I really wanted to challenge myself and step out of my comfort zone for this performance since the Clash panel wanted something different. So I'm grateful that it came across. So thank you so much for appreciating this side of me. Lois has such a classy voice and incredible charisma. She really draws in a whole new audience. I usually skip mainstream TV singing competitions since they often rely on shouting, but she brings a completely different level of presence and performance. Way to go, The Clash. It's great to see the show's quality being uplifted. I'm truly honored that my performance resonated with you, and it means so much to me that you appreciated my style and artistry. I'll continue to work hard and bring my best. Magagaling naman yang tatlong yan, kaya sila pasok. Lalo na si Lois. Ganda magsalita ng bata. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at sa napakagandang words of encouragement po ninyo. Ipagpapatuloy ko po na pagbutihin ng aking mga performance. Thank you po! So that's all. Thank you for watching Clash Nation and please remember to stay tuned sa The Clash happenings every 7:15 p.m. every Sunday. That's all.
I just picked the song that I genuinely love. Hey Clash Nation, it's Violet. This video is all about your reactions to my round 2 performances. I had 2 performances that round. The first one was Best Part by Daniel Caesar featuring her for the Kakampi or Kalaban round, and the second one was Lose Control by Teddy Swims for the Matira Matibay round. Comment number 1, parang imported kumanta. That honestly means so much to me because that kind of sound, the tone, the phrasing, the runs, is something I've really studied a lot about in so many soul and R&B artists that I really admire. So, the second comment, play safe si Violet pero ang galing niya, sana mag-take ng risk siya sa ibang kanta sa susunod na round. The softer songs aren't necessarily the safe songs, in a sense, because they can actually be just as risky, if not even more exposing. Since there's nowhere to hide between long and complicated runs and big belt, I just picked the songs that I genuinely love and the ones that actually let me tell a story that I want to express. So, the next comment, kay Violet naman may control at may malimit ang pag-deliver ng lyrics niya. Wow, thank you so much for this. And honestly, it's kind of ironic that this comment is on Lose Control of all songs, because I have control on the song where I'm literally losing control. But really, I appreciate you noticing the delivery, especially on this song because it's such a fierce, intense one. So the lyrics and diction really matter to really carry that emotion properly. And that's a wrap for round 2. Maraming salamat po sa panonood, for the love, and for being so real with your feedback. I'm really taking every single bit of it to heart. Stay tuned lang po sa The Clash Teens every Sunday, 7:15 p.m. only on GMA. See you, Clash Nation!
Expected. Hello guys! I'm Inigo Badillo and eto, top 6. Ayun, lalo akong na-excite kasi kanina pa ako backstage na kantang-kanta and ayun, kinabahan lang kasi hindi ko alam kung sino mga kalaban ko and ayun nga, expected. Ayun, lalo ako na-excite kasi si Martin yung isa sa nakalaban ko nung round 3. Ayun, parang ito yung chance niya if sino sa amin ang makapasok. Ayun, sa base sa mga judges, sobrang grateful ako kasi ayun, good comments and parang naramdam ko na I did my best din. Yun nga, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, nakaka-excite pero kinakabahan din kasi syempre magkaiba kami ng genre. Yun.
I believe po na nagawa ko po siya ng maganda. I give justice sa song po. Hello Clash Nation, this is Martin Miguel. Nung na-randomize po si Inigo, ni isa po sa amin tatlo, ayaw po namin tumayo po talaga eh. Pero, I just want to try my best na ilaban po si Inigo. I want to challenge myself po, kaya tumayo po ako sa upuan. I believe po na nagawa ko po siya ng maganda. I did justice sa song po. And ngayon po, I'm just okay na po yung feeling ko na nakanta ko na po yung performance ko po. At ngayon, nervous at the same time kung sinong mapipili. Sobrang intense po kasi natalo po kami ni Inigo eh. And sobrang galing din po ni Inigo eh. And ngayon, ayoko na pong isipin po si Inigo na pong manervous sa kanya po. At least, kahit manalo-matalo po ako dito, I still have a performance na hindi ko po i-regret po.
Siyempre, kinabahan na nagtapat kami. Hi Clash Nation! This is Kay Gabonada. Grabe. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin akong mahanap ng words to like exactly describe yung nararamdaman ko. Kundi blessed, proud, happy, calm. Proud ako sa performance ni Hannah. And parang sa mga videos ko before, parang na-emphasize ko din kung gaano ko hinahangaan si Hannah as a singer. And syempre, kinabahan na nagtapat kami. Pero sa tingin ko naman po, nabigay po namin yung best po namin. Hindi ko pa alam kung mangyayari. So, good luck na lang po talaga. And I'm proud of her and I'm proud of me.
Sobrang galing po niya. Hello, Clash Nation! So, this is Hannah May. Ayun, so kakatapos lang po ng performance po namin ni Ate Kay. Ganun pa rin po, sobrang galing po rin niya po talaga. At masaya naman po ako sa performance ko. Okay naman po ako sa performance ko at nagawa ko naman po siya ng maayos. Also, kay Ate Kay po, sobrang galing po niya. Wala na po akong masabi, magaling po talaga eh.